In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete photos in Grok. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Grok, and then click on the official Grok website from the search results. Once the site opens, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Grok account. Next, from the menu, tap on Files. This will open a page where all your saved documents and photos are stored. Browse through your files and find the photo you want to delete. Select the image by clicking on it. It may open in a larger view or show extra options. Now look for the trash can icon, which represents delete. Click on it. A confirmation message will appear. Review it carefully, and if you're sure, click the check mark to permanently delete the photo. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a photo in Grok. Remember, once a photo is deleted, it can't always be restored, so always double check before confirming. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials updates. Thanks for watching.